Hello everyone, my name's Olivia and I'll be doing my very first unboxing of Ladybug and Cat Noir. So this is a Ladybug one, pretty awesome, and the back, I have more to collect, so that's what I'll do soon, very soon, and also we'll be purchasing stuff from the Zag store. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Yep. Don't want to cut myself. Let's see. Oh, that's already open. Well, we'll still do this. Let's see. That's not gonna work. 1 second. Okay, so I got it out this much that you can really visibly kind of see it more. Her and the little tiki. Actually feels kind of nice. I thought it'll be kind of like, not plastic, but elastic. And her hair feels real. Kind of. But I'll take her out the box too. 1 more second. Just gotta cut these things right here without actually cutting her. Let's start with the yo-yo first. Okay, one's off. Okay, oops. Really don't want to cut the yo-yo. Okay. You know what? Let's just start with this right here. Okay. Don't want to take off the band. Look at the other side. Still didn't come off. Okay. Oh no. It kind of left. Okay, I can move her arm. Let's get this boot. Okay. Now for this one. One of them. Okay. Just the hand. This one's hard. I don't want to cut her. Crap. Almost got it. Wow. It's kind of stuck on there. Trying not to go through her clothes. It's just this side. Did it even cut through? This is literally the worst. Oh, still not? Alright. One moment. Okay. First one I got out is Tiki. Look at her. So adorable. Back, front. And finally I got her out because it was hard. Sorry, I had to pause for a moment. And her actual, it's actually really cool. But her hair is not like I thought it would be. Because it looks like it's cut. But it's not, you know. Oh crap. Yeah, and she has adjustable limbs. Pretty cool, in my opinion. What would be cool for it really is if she had changeable face expressions. She's smiling. I mean, she always smiles. She's cool. But it would be cool enough for her to have that. Her hair looks kind of nappy, but not really. Look how much it looks cut. I won't be cutting it because I don't want to mess it up. See, even her hair in the back is... That's crazy. This side looks perfect. This side over here... And don't worry, guys. I did not do that. I did not do that to her hair with the box cutter I have. See? Oh, crap. I almost put myself. See? I did not do that because there's no hair in the box anywhere or on the plastic part. But yeah, all in all, she's very cool. I just wish her hair was perfect like it's supposed to be. And her hair is kind of stiff. Like, I thought it would be smoother, like softer, but it's really tough. And you can't put it back in place. Her hair just looks messed up. I thought it would be super perfect. I don't know what happened to it. Because when I first got it, the box got delivered. Her hair looked perfect in the box. But the box itself, the plastic part on top of the box, it was all cracked up. Like this part right here. It was already like that. I just cut around it. I love how the pop-out shows. And yeah, I wanted to keep the box, but I messed it up. Trying to open it because the things are everywhere. But all in all, she's perfect. Look at her yo-yo. Oops, sorry. Yep, perfect yo-yo. Very perfect. I thought she could have the yo-yo around her waist, like she normally does, like this. But I guess not. I don't know what this is for. But, yeah. Oh, and I think her shoes can come off. But I thought they'd be... I think they come off. I want to slide one off, but... They look like they slide off. Let me see. I can't get it off. But yeah, I like how everything's adjustable. It'd be so cool if I could switch Ladybug and Cat Noir's outfits. That'd be so cool. But all in all, right now she is a... I give her this rating of this boxing of Ladybug at 8 or 7 out of... No, 7.5 out of 10. Just because of the hair. I thought it'd be super perfect. But turns out it's not. One side is and it's super stiff. Can't even move it. But this side, it moves like a dried up paintbrush actually. All in all, it's cool. Oh, I can actually take her suit off. I didn't know. I'm not going to take her suit off because that'll be... Oh. Inappropriate for YouTube. So, yeah, she right now is a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, I'll get the next box of Cat Noir. Alright, here's Cat Noir. I actually really thought black looks perfect for some reason. Just my opinion. And his hair doesn't look like Ladybug's, like silky. But all in all, he looks pretty awesome. Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna try and take him out neatly as I can. So I'll be right back. Okay, I actually literally opened his box super neatly. I don't know why I couldn't do that with Ladybug, but his box is super neat. Are you serious? It's gonna be hard to get him out because I thought that's his head. Oh my god. Clip back on, clip back on. I'll put it back on. Hopefully if I get it out neatly. Okay, let's start with the foot. Come on. It's not coming off. Oh, it came off. It came off. Okay, this one's secure. This one's awesome. Next one. Give me a little. Okay, got that off. And his staff looks phenomenal. All in all, in my opinion, his staff looks better than Ladybug's yo-yo. Just saying. Wow, it's not cutting. Okay. Okay. Got the staff. Gotta get his hands without cutting his clothing. Oh, that was super neat what I did. Come on. Got that off. His waist. Did I cut his clothes? I don't think I did. I don't think I did. Don't think I... Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to take it off from right there. I'll take it off right here. Attempt to. The staff is still in there. Oh. I thought I took the staff out. Okay. Now I took it out. Staff is awesome. Okay, the arm. Let's turn it around. Oh crap. Well, oops. Let's take Plague out first, cause like looks super easy to take out. If I can just. No? Alright, let's continue cutting water. It's not gonna work for him. Lift your arm. Reach. Come on. Get one of them. Oh no. Oh no, I didn't cut him. Thank God. Okay, got both of them off. Okay. Oh, he was easy to slide out. Wait, his tail. Ah! Well, belt. Legs up. Got that out. Look at him. His charming smile. One second. Gonna lay him out. Oh. Right here for one moment. Look at him. Same pants as Ladybug's, the same silkiness. Cool boot. And looked better when it was in the box. Yeah, the quality is alright. His shirt is actually leather. It's cool. You can also take these clothes off, which I will not be doing here because it'll be inappropriate for YouTube. Yeah, he looks pretty cool. His mask can come off? No, I thought it just looked like it. Like, you know. Oh, his head. 1 second. His head is... One moment. Yeah, I thought I could fix the neck, but it's gonna be like that. I don't know. The bell, I wish it could ring. It'd be so cool. Just gotta get Plag out of here. One more moment. Alright, I got Plag out. Look how he looks. He looks like I take it back. Plag looks kind of funny, but I mean, I guess that's his personality. But, yeah, look at his eyes. Cheeky looks more, he looks like he's scheming something, and she just looks normal. But, yeah. Kwame's. And their holders. I rather prefer Ladybug's hair being like his and his being like hers. You know what I mean? Well, I rate him a perfect 10 out of 10. Nothing's messed up. Well, let's step back. 8.5. Because of the neck. Everything else is perfect for him. Besides the tail too. Like how they got the design on it. But yeah. His shoes are better. But yeah. He's perfect. Out of the two, who do I like best? Right now, I've got to say Cat Noir. Her clothes are perfect, but his design is better. In my opinion, it's got character. Like, I mean, you know, like I like how the bodies and stuff move. Yeah, but, well, his head doesn't really do that. Anything else I have to say? Let's see. Not really. But I really enjoyed unboxing them, even though I didn't show it in the camera fully. Yeah. Everything looks alright, in my opinion. Just wish her hair was a bit better and even. And made like the type of fake hair like his. But all in all, I think it was perfect for them. Well, for me to buy them. And I am looking forward to doing more unboxing in the future. Yeah, so have a miraculous day and thanks for watching.